So I got this box in. This is something I ordered from Sticker Mule. You can get personalized items like pins, stickers. But the other thing that's pretty cool is when you have an order that's over $100, you get a free bottle of their hot sauce. We tried their hot sauce a while ago and we really liked it. But I'm going to unbox this and show you guys what we ordered and kind of some of the other stuff that we've gotten from them for our other channel. It's actually one of our other YouTube channels. It's an airsoft channel that I'll have a link for that as well in the description. But let me go ahead and unbox this and let me show you what I got here. All right. Their Mule sauce, more entertainment plastic. Oh, that's cool. All right, this is something different that I didn't get last time that they've added in. Now, the last time I ordered this hot sauce was probably about a year ago or more. This is a sticker of the Mule sauce. Share a pic of the first thing you tried Mule sauce with and mention @StickerMule. That's kind of cool. That's pretty cool. Good idea too. Okay. We actually have some pictures of stuff we tried their hot sauce with. That'll be good. And then you get, they always send one of these. This is a sticker as well. One of their logo and name stickers there. And their mascot logo picture, right? The mule, I guess that's why they call it Mule sauce. You know, Sticker Mule. Then this is what we ordered. So these are transfer stickers. I'll put up a video from Sticker Mule that shows how to put these on. All right, watch that for a second.
Sticker Mule's transfer stickers make it easy to apply logos and designs with multiple individual pieces. Sometimes known as vinyl cut stickers or vinyl lettering, transfer stickers have been around for decades. But until now, there hasn't been a go-to place to buy them. With an easy-to-use ordering experience, we turn your designs into beautiful handmade transfer stickers at low prices with fast, free shipping in 4 days or less. Transferring your stickers to a product or surface is easy. Simply remove the backing, set it on the surface, rub it, and then slowly pull the transfer tape off to reveal your design. More than 10,000 customers trust us to print kick-ass stickers that are durable, weatherproof, and made to your exact specifications. If you have any questions, email help@stickermule.com or tweet @StickerMule.
So now that you know how to put these on, these are typically made for your car window, that kind of thing. But people do put them on like their laptops, their PC towers, their gaming systems, the consoles. These will stick to pretty much anything. These are ones we actually give away to our viewers, well, to the mystery box winners. Okay, so when we do giveaways on our airsoft channel, and this is one of the stickers that we put in there. They have a really smooth process between ordering, uploading your picture or logo, anything you want on your sticker or placard or whatever. They offer a lot of different things. Okay, and we order pins. These are the metal pins with the clip in the back, right, with our logo on it. We ordered these 2-inch stickers with our logo, obviously. And then they had a deal last year, which they always have deals, by the way. I'll tell you that in a second. But this is a holographic sticker. This might be difficult to see in the lighting here with the camera, but it changes colors based on how the light hits it. These are really cool. It was actually a pretty popular item when we ordered these last year. And a lot of people requested these. So these are really cool items. We've been using Sticker Mule now for a year and a half. It was one of the first companies I found when I researched where to get like stickers with your logo on it. I love their service. Their website is super user-friendly. When you order something like with your logo or your whatever picture you upload or whatever, they send you a proof, right, by email and on text. If you put your number in there, they'll text it to you. And you can click right on the text, the link, and it shows what it looks like before it actually gets manufactured. Okay, so if there's any discrepancies, you can change it before they make, you know, your batch of 200, 500, whatever. I love their service. They're super fast. This is a company that we've loved to work with since the beginning. We have ordered a lot of things from them. They've never messed up our order, never messed up our logo. All right, let's look at this mule sauce here. So it's definitely packaged well. You know, it's got all this, is wrapped in this, and then it's wrapped in this cardboard, this corrugated cardboard with actual packing tape. You know, the kind with the lines in it. Those nylon strings so it doesn't break. All right. Let's pop this thing out of here. Oh yeah. And that's a pretty beefy size bottle of hot sauce for getting it for free. Okay, that's pretty good. So like I said, they have a deal on there where any orders over $100 gets an automatic free bottle of hot sauce. And this is a thick glass bottle, well made. The taste on this is really good. Like, you can see the heat intensity back here. Like, it's, what is that, 4 out of 5? Peppers. Okay, it is hot. And this is no joke. I'm not trying to, you know, we're not sponsored by them or nothing like that. I've just been so impressed with their service and what, you know, what they provide, the products they provide, and how quickly and all that. You know, I wanted to do a video about them and how they work, because they do a lot of good work. It's always precise. There's never a delay on our shipment. Now that's our personal experience. But like I said, we've ordered a lot of things. You know, we've ordered these, a lot of different items, you know, and different quantities. Like this one here, these 2-inch ones. Speaking of the deals, like I was talking about earlier, you get emails offering different deals. And I'm not talking about like $2 off an order. Sometimes these deals are really good. This one, I think these pins, I'll have to look at my order. But I think when I ordered these pins, I ordered these, I would have never thought to order them, okay? I got an email, and the email is just, when you get it, it's really quick and easy to read. It's not, you know, this huge ass email or whatever with a bunch of stuff, you know, scattered everywhere. It's super simple, super easy to read, and they have one link, you know, for the product that they're offering at that time. And it'll say, you know, like for this one, it was like 1 or whatever this is, 1.5 inch pins. For $19 for a, you know, a batch or whatever. And it was, normally they're like $55 or something. That's the kind of deals you get. That's how I got these holographic ones. I didn't even know they offered these. And they sent the email out announcing that this was like a new item that they were going to be selling. And I got these on sale as well. And I'm talking like, you know, these deals they give can be up to, you know, half off, right? They're really good. So these ones, these 2-inch, ordered those. I ordered like 300 of these for a ridiculously cheap price. Then I ordered this packing tape, which I'm out of right now. I ordered packing tape, which they offered that as well. And it had our logo on it. So it was black with white logo, you know, our logo on here on the tape. And it comes in a big roll. And you order, you know, like a certain amount of feet on the roll. Well, this stuff was awesome. Now, this is the kind that you use in like a factory where, you know, where they box up stuff. This is the, you pull it off the roll. It's loose, and you wet the back of it. So you take a sponge, wet the back of it, and then put it on your cardboard box. It makes it look professional. And sticks, you know, really well too. So great company, always been impressed with them and their service. That was everything in the box. Really good service, good products. This will come in handy because we're about out of our other hot sauce that we have right now. So perfect timing. So looking forward to using that. Appreciate you guys watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. We'll see you in the next video.